In this video, we'll be exploring 5 different online marketplaces where you can sell your artwork and connect with potential buyers from around the world. We'll explore the pros and cons of each platform, their reputation, and what makes them unique. Let's dive in. In this video, we'll be exploring 5 different online marketplaces where you can sell your artwork and connect with potential buyers from around the world. We'll explore the pros and cons of each platform, their reputation, and what makes them unique. Let's dive in. Welcome to Money Express YouTube channel as we teach you how to make money online and saving tips. 1. Saatchi Art. First on our list is Saatchi Art, an online art gallery that allows artists to showcase and sell their work directly to collectors. Founded in 2006 by Charles Saatchi and Rebecca Wilson, the platform connects artists from over 100 countries with collectors worldwide. Saatchi Art offers a wide range of art styles and mediums, including paintings, sculptures, photographs, and collages. Artists set their own prices and receive up to 70% of the sale price. The art on the platform is curated and vetted by a team of in-house art advisors. Users can create accounts to sell their own artwork and offer art prints. To become a seller, artists must prove that they are 18 years old or older and provide a government-issued photo ID to verify their identity. Saatchi Art charges a 35% commission fee on every original artwork sold and pays sellers through check, wire transfer, or PayPal. Saatchi Art has a rating of excellent on Trustpilot, with a score of 4.4. Positive reviews mention the quality of art, quick and easy purchasing process, and good customer service. However, negative reviews mention issues with print quality, delivery, and customer service. Saatchi Art has also garnered mixed reviews from artists. 2. Artfinder. Next up is Artfinder, an online art marketplace where users can buy directly from independent artists around the world. It offers a wide range of art, including original paintings, limited edition prints, photographs, and sculptures, with prices starting as low as £20. One of the main criticisms of Artfinder is the high commission rate of 40%. Some users believe that the extra features provided by the starter account are not worth the $5 monthly fee. There are a few negative reviews mentioning the overwhelming number of art pieces and a need for improvement in the pricing filters option. Artists need to apply to sell their art on Artfinder. The application process includes providing a personal story, links to an online presence, high-quality images, and ensuring that the art is original. Artfinder offers 3 different account levels for artists, ranging from free to $12 a month, with varying commission fees. Payments to artists are made twice a month. Artfinder uses technology to match users with art they might like by employing algorithms and personal shoppers. The platform is working on ways to recommend artworks based on users' taste and visual similarities to pieces they have shown interest in. 3. FineArtAmerica. FineArtAmerica is a popular online marketplace that allows artists to sell their artwork to a global audience. While the website has received mixed reviews, there are some advantages to using it. One of the pros of FineArtAmerica is the easy setup process. You can upload your artwork, set your own prices, and customize your profile in just a few minutes. Another pro is the multiple product options that are available, such as canvas prints, framed prints, and even phone cases. FineArtAmerica also has worldwide availability, which means that anyone from anywhere in the world can purchase your artwork. However, there are some downsides to using FineArtAmerica. Some users have reported poor communication, delayed shipping, and damaged products. Additionally, FineArtAmerica is not a steady source of income, and it can be difficult for artists to get discovered on the website. Also, the customer information is owned by FineArtAmerica. Some artists have reported more success on Society6 due to its easier search functionality and less inundation with low-quality work. 4. Printful. Printful is a print-on-demand service that allows users to create custom products for their online stores. The company offers a wide range of products, such as apparel, accessories, and home decor items. Printful uses various printing techniques, including embroidery, direct-to-garment, DTG, all-over sublimation printing, and screen printing. They have facilities located in the USA, Mexico, and Europe and handle order fulfillment, printing, and shipping. Printful is known for its good quality products and swift customer service. However, some users have reported low print quality on their t-shirts. It is suggested to order samples to get a better idea of the product and color possibilities. Printful integrates with most e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, eBay, and social media platforms. They also partner with ShipStation, a third-party app that allows them to connect to platforms they otherwise can't connect to. Printful is often compared to Printify, another popular print-on-demand service. Printful is reputed to have an edge in quality, a bigger size range, and more options than any of the pods on Printify. However, Printify is known to be cheaper. Both services may suffer quality drops during peak times. For users looking to start an online store with Printful, it is recommended to order samples, explore integration options, and watch tutorial videos to understand the differences between platforms and services. Lastly, users should test a few pod providers, such as Printify, and compare them to Printful to decide which service best fits their needs. 5. Artsy. Now let's move on to Artsy. Artsy is an online art brokerage based in New York City, which mainly focuses on developing and hosting websites for numerous galleries and selling art on their behalf. The platform has received financial backing from multiple investors and was founded by Carter Cleveland, a Princeton University computer science graduate. Users have reported mixed reviews of Artsy as an online platform for art sales. Some users found it helpful in connecting them with particular types of art or potential buyers, while others reported no positive results and questioned whether it was worth paying for the service. Pricing for Artsy varies depending on the membership plan, with costs ranging from $300 to $1,000 a month. Some users have found Artsy to be useless and a scam that locks you into a year-long contract that is difficult to cancel. In conclusion, selling art online has become easier than ever, with various websites and services available to artists. Each website offers unique features and benefits, and it's up to the artist to choose the one that best fits their needs. Whether it's selling prints or creating custom products, the options are endless. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.